Daily Dems doing the work, making noise, and fighting back. Day 16. Rep. Jamie Raskin, Maryland 8, was on the weekend, and he made two incredibly important points. The first one is because a 1989 bill that Reagan signed into law, called the Computer Fraud and Abuse Act. If your data has been compromised, you can sue for damages. Every single American's data has now been compromised, so he thinks there should be an America-wide class action lawsuit against Musk. He said, secondly, pay attention to the Republicans who were loudly supporting DT but are now silent. A lot of people assume that it goes directly from loudly supporting to loudly admonishing. But in reality, it goes from loudly supporting to silence, to privately admonishing, and then loudly against. So we want to put most of our pressure on those who are silent. Gwen Moore of Wisconsin 4 gave an incredibly impassioned speech on the House floor. It is well worth a watch. There were two rallies that I know of that happened today. Democrats, led by Hakeem Jeffries, held the Rally to Save the Civil Service, and there was Stop Doge, Save Noah, which unfortunately was not streamed live. But we do have Senator Chris Van Hollen of Maryland's speech. And I will say Senator Chris Van Hollen has been at every rally. Chuck Schumer announced that the Senate Democrats now have a whistleblower tip line for public servants. So if you are a public servant and you have something to say, please use it. The more stories they have of the misconduct happening, the better. And finally, Rep. Robert Garcia of California 42 was on the readout yesterday. And he explained some of what House Democrats are doing and going to do to block House Republicans. He said that personally, he is not going to support a single Republican bill for any reason for the time being. And those are today's stories. Please remember that I can only share so many. To know about more, you have to follow our elected Dems, as many of them as you possibly can. It doesn't matter how amazing what they're saying or doing is if it doesn't go viral. And it's on us to make it go viral. Your voice is your superpower, but only when you use it.